In this video I'm going to show you worn out strut mount and shock absorber. As you can see here, bearing itself is bad because while spinning it has noises and have a lot of play. As you can see here, bearing binds itself. It's hard to turn it because there is a lot of rust, dirt, and it is worn out. Here you can see a new strut mount. It spins freely, no binding. You can see here how they look together. The old one is smaller because the rubber is compressed. Because of this gap, your car will be lower and you hear noises. Here I have bad shock absorber. As you can see, it's oily because it have bad seals, and this is scratch marks. As you can see, when I release it, it just drops and don't go up because there is no oil left inside. So that means this is completely bad and it will make noises while driving. As you can see, new one comes right up, and that is how it should be, and it is hard to press down. You can see here the different gaps. As I was talking before, car will be lower because all the rubber is compressed. I put more grease on bearing to increase its lifetime. Thank you for watching, subscribe my channel and like this video.